In our prior session, we did a grouping of block groups surrounding Prospect Park in Brooklyn so we could summarize the demographic characteristics of that area. Now let's extend that project and make a second group to compare it with, around Central Park. Central Park is selected in the map, so when we use the zoom slider to zoom in, we'll go right in on Central Park. Next, from the Groups menu, we choose New Group, and this will let us say Central Park Neighborhood, adding this group to the Park Neighborhoods grouping. Select Group Mode in the toolbar. We have various ways to add to the grouping. We'll start with Group by Polygon. This lets us do a rough polygon just by drawing around the area, down Central Park West, across Central Park South, up the east side is Central Park, then across the northern end. Then, when we release the mouse, this will assign most of these block groups to the Central Park Neighborhood group. So you can see 106 block groups in this neighborhood. And we need to tune this up a little bit by adding these in one by one. This does not need to be assigned. We can drag these out, drag and drop. There we go. So we just have the first block group or two around Central Park. Okay. And also drag Central Park itself out of the group since no one really lives there. Now we can bring up Quick Look at the bottom of the Data menu. We can expand to Benchmarks, choose the Compare with Group mode of Quick Look Benchmarks, and we can compare one group against another. So here you can see that Central Park has 124,000 households and Prospect Park has 80,020 households. You can see all the demographic variables that are associated with these two areas. And that is how you can use the grouping capability in ScanUS to create a comparison of two areas which might be trade areas.